Hi everyone, welcome to iLanguage Training Center, and this is New Concept English Book 1 video class. Assalamu alaikum sağolashlar. G'ayat tərbiyələş mərkəzimizin yayınlanan qarşılayırıq. And bu bolsa yeni oqum ingilis til dərsi birinci qismdagi video dərslik bo'ldi. Andaqda bugun o'rganmoqchi bo'lgan darsimiz lesson 106 and lesson 107. Alright guys, first of all, let's review some important language books from the last class. Okay, ana sağlaşda, muşaval aldığın məzmunlarını bir təkrarlab ötkendan keyin, onadaki muşu bugünkü dərsimizdən məzmununa başlayalım. Bo'ldi. Good job. Anaqda biz o'tgan soatlik darsimizda intayim muhim bo'lgan bir jumla shaklini o'rgangan. Okay, o bo'lsin nima dersanglar? Masalan, qaranglar, masalan, ma'ni too expensive for me to buy. Okay, so mushina shu o'tgan soatlik dars shaklidagi, masalan, something is too blah blah blah blah blah blah blah too blah blah blah degan shaklga o'zgartirib qo'yinglar. Masalan, buni ayirsak, masalan, the house is too expensive for me to buy. Okay, demekçi, müşahede, qaralım yarıki to, arada pilanın alır kes, məqsad ifadelayıcı, ma first somebody degen ma'lum kishi uchun, yoki ma'lum kishi uchun aytganda, yoki ma'lum kishiga nisbatan qanday desanglar, ma uy qanday setib olishga intayin qimmat degan gap bo'ldi. Alright. Amsa mana qaranglar, low enough for them climb. Okay, ama zirapını görelim o resimdeki. Kösenler de bu zirapla şu tamdın igizgen demekçi ulaf için bu tam kanda yamışka asan degende üzerine benla ne demez tam the wall is low enough for them. Ular için. Qanday qilishga maqsad mi yarki nima to climb. Okay, ulardan yamışqa demekçi bu tam qanday desanglar pakar degan gap bo'ldi. Alright. What about this? Soft enough for him eat. Okay, demekçi masalan o'g'il bolaga bu narsani yeyish intayin yetarli qolganda yetarlik musharika yumshoq degan gap. Masalan, buni o'zgartirsak, the bread is soft enough for him to eat. Good. What about this? What about for that rabbit? Do you think that carrot is soft enough for it to eat? Yoki too hard for it to eat? Okay, biz qarasanglar, mana toshqani yemabshinami? Demakchi, uning uchun mana savza qandakan naytdi va kishi qattiq keldi. Tushunarlimi? The carrot is too hard for him to eat. Okay, to eat. Okay. And then too difficult for us to answer. Wow. Can you see that mathematical question? It's really, really, really, or too difficult, right? So we can say, the question is too difficult for us to what? To answer. Okay. Demekçi, bu savol bizning javob berishimizga qanday intayin tez. What about this? Look at that car. That car is only 15,000 RMB. Okay, it's quite cheap, right? Okay, cheap enough for them to what? To buy. And you can say the car is cheap enough for them to buy. Okay, the car is cheap enough to buy. Allah'ın sözü olacak, ana yeterlik ersan. Alright guys, so let's learn lesson 106. I want you, him, her, them to, or tell him, her, them to. Degan bu cümle şeklinde görüyoruz. Bu resulting ders. Okay, and that. Wow, it's very nice car, huh? Okay, tell somebody to do something. Tell somebody to do something. Nima degan gapni aytsanglar, savolashlar, ma'lum kishiga ma'lum ish qilishni qanday qilish deyish. Tell demak shunami? ma'lum bir ish qilishni qanday qilish deyish. Okay, endi yana bir so'zda sana want somebody to do something. Endi bu yerga want somebody to do something deganga sana ma'lum kishining ma'lum ish qilishini xohlash. Masalan, men sizningki mandaq qilib berishingizni xohlayman yoki men sizga mandaq qilsam deyman. Degan jumla o'ylab o'tganman. Anaqa qarab bo'lsa, what do you want him to do? Okay? What do you want him to do? Okay? Endi bu yerga what do you want? Demakchi, uni nima ish qilib berishni xohlaysiz demakchi. Siz uni nima ish qilgan deysiz? Shunami? Nima ish qilgan deysiz? Desa, I want him to men uni mandaq qilgan deyman. Tell him to uningga deb qo'ying. Uningga dam u mandaq qilsin. Alright, answer I want him to sing a song. Alright, and the other sing a song. But not shit, but not shit. I can tell him to sing a song. Onun kadar puyan, ona şeysin. Hem de yana bir dikkat olan noktamız valla. I want him to tune in. Çokum fiilnasın şu asıl şekli girişkiler. Asıl şekli girişkiler. Okay. Mesela I want him to play with me. O memelen oynasken deymen. Tell him to play with me. Adap uyan o memelen kararsın. Oynasın. Okay, what about play football? Okay, futbol oynamak nava. Onu futbol oynasken deymen. Tell him to play football. Anda karaklan futbol oynasın da uyan. Sleep early. You know, I want him to sleep early. Men onu bol olarak fulsken deymen. Okay, and to tell him to sleep early. Bu simbolda dap uyan o baldırak anlatsın, olsun. And speak English. And speak English. And that English sözüm için ama I want him to speak English. Ben onu İngiliz sözüken deyim. Yani ben tell him to speak English. Dap uyan o demiş kısın İngilizce sözlüsün. Okay, good. And do my homework. And then benim tavşırık anlaşılsın için ama I want him to do my homework. Onun benim tavşırıkımda bir işlep etkin yakışızken deyim. Now tell him to do my homework. Yapıyan o bana tavşırıkımda kandak kısın, işlesin. Okay. Anaqarağa don't want somebody to do something. And the other don't want. Demekçi mandak ma'lum bir ish qilishni xohlamaslik shunama somebody ma'lum bir to do something. Ma'lum bir ishni qilishni qanday qilmaslik xohlamaslik. Okay? Ma'lum ishning ma'lum ish qilishni qanday qilish xohlamaslik. Okay, and the other tell somebody not to do something. Deb o'ying yakdan ma'lum ishga ma'lum ish qilishni qilmaslikni deyish. Nama, undaqmang degandaka. What don't you want your son to do? Siz o'g'lingizni nima ish qilmaskan deysiz? Yoki nima ish qilmoqingiz bor degandek, shunami? Okay. I don't want him to or tell him not to. I don't want him to. Men uni mandaq qilmaskan deymiz. Masalan, I don't want him to sleep. Men onu xulsken deyman. I don't want him to go shopping. O bozor cho'g'imsken yoki maqsadga chiqmasken deyman. And I don't want him to go to school. Men uni maktabga bormasken deyman. Demakchi maktabga berishni xohlamayman. Tushunami? And I don't want him to play table tennis. Table tennis tik-tak top. Men uni tik-tak top o'ynasken deyman. Yoki tell him not to play table tennis. Deb qo'yam, u qanday qilsin? Tik-tak top o'ynamsin. Tushunami? Masalan, tell him not to play computer games. Endi deb qo'yam, u qanday qilsin? Kompyuter o'ynamsin. Play computer games. Play computer games. Kompyuter o'yini qanday qilsin? O'ynamsin. Yoki I want him to play computer games. Men uni shu kompyuter o'yinini o'ynamasken deyman. Gentlemen, yaxshi. So guys, let's practice. And that bir mashq qilib unda mashina practice qilgandek. Ingliz tilida deymiz, practice makes perfect. Mashq Hammani qanday qiladi? Okay, demek mashq qilish sizni ingliz tilini yoki siz qilayotgan shu ishni mukammallashtiradi deydigan gap. John practice makes perfect. Mashq mukammal qiladi. Demakki, siz mashq qilgan shu narsani mukammallikka qildi. Alright, and new words and expressions. Carry. Do you know carry to hold something and take it with you? Demakki, bir narsani tutib siz bilan epmenish deydi. Shu ko'tarib mangmaq, ep mangmaq degan gap. Masalan, I don't carry your bag. Nima men sizningki sumkangizni qanday qilmadim, ko'tarmadim. Okay, I don't. So can you carry this case for me? Bu çamalarni bana bir ko'tarib beramsiz ya ko'tarib evolamsiz, shunami? Or you can say he always carries his dictionary. O daim uning lug'atini qanday qildi, ko'tarib yurdi. Demak, nima qilasiz? Yeni qilib oldi degan gap bo'ldi. Masalan, this shelf is too heavy. I can't carry it. Okay. Endi bu jaza ya taxta intayin eğe. Men onu götüremeyim. Okay. Andaqa kings around sağlaştı. Okay, correct. Okay, correct again. Nim degan gap desanglar. Correct means to make something right. Right deganimiz bilasizlar. Buni to'g'rilamoq nima? Shu ma'lum narsani to'g'rilamoq, tuzatmak bo'lsa, correct. Qaranglar. Correct. Such as, you know, this is wrong, right? About telling about the function is wrong, right? So please correct it. Okay. Tell her to correct again. Okay. Okay. You know, he wants to correct his answer. Okay. O'zining javobini tuzatgan deydi. Yoki tuzatishni qanaqaligi xohlaydi ekan. Okay, do you know how to correct it? Do you know bilamsiz how to qanday correct it? Siz uni qanday tuzatishni bilamsizmi? Do you know that? Okay. And teacher is correcting your homework. Muallim qanday qilyapti? Sizningki topshiriqingizni tuzatyapti. Demakki, the teacher and all the chiqmay qolibdi. The teacher is correcting your homework. All right. And next one is keep. Do you know to keep? To have something and don't need to return it. Demakki, bir narsa ega bo'lib, uni yana qaytarishga hojat yo'q. Shunaqa. Keep deganimiz shuni saqlab qo'ymoq. Shunaqami? May I keep the book? Bu kitobingizni saqlab qo'ysam bo'lamdi? Demakki, bu beqasam bo'lamdi. Bu keyinchi mushu men saqlab qo'ysam bo'lamdi degan gap. Like, may I keep your photo? Sizning rasmingizni saqlab qo'ysam bo'lamdi degandek. Where do you keep your money? Okay. Pulni qayerda saqlaysiz? Alright. Okay. You must keep the room warm. Okay. Nima o'shingga oldingi qismda chiqqan, oldingi darslarcha. You must keep the room uyni saqlanqanda warm, issiq saqlan. Uyni iliq issiq saqlan demakchi temperaturasi ko'p bo'lib ketmishi, og'rib qolgan jallab degan bo'ladi. All right. And keep these dogs out of the house. And keep something out. Degan bir narsani yo'qma yoki sirda tutmoq demakchi. Mushu uyning sirida mush demakchi bu ishlarni qanday qilmang? Uyga kirgizmang degan gap bo'ladi. All right. So guys, let's keep in touch. Good. And keep, let's get politely Italian. Keep. Demakchi, bunda saqlab, in touch. Demakchi, birisi bunda bir touch. Touch demakchi, bu nima desanglar, aloqa qilib turaydi. Aloqa qilib turaydi. Masalan, yangi tanishgan do'stlar bo'lsa, shular bilan hamda birlikda aloqa qilib turish uchun let's keep in touch. Demakchi, aloqa qilib turaydi degan gap bo'ldi. Okay, guys, I want you to carry this case. Sizni bu chamadonni qanday qilgan deyman? Ko'targan deyman. Tushunami? Okay. Qarang. What about this? I want her to come to my office. Men uni bu ishxonaga kirgizgan deyman. Demakchi, tekstilni parcha. Okay, what about this? Tell them not to drive quickly. Deb qo'ying. Ular mashina qanday edimsin? anda tizaydım. Good. And tell him not to play with matches. Okay. That bu yang serenge qandaqımızın oyunumuzun play with matches deganimiz sereng oynamak, ot oynamak degan gap. I want you to drive this car. Sizni mush mashinani haydasgan deyman. Okay. And want somebody or something to do. Somebody to do something, right? Okay, and tell somebody to do something bo'lsa, ma'lum bir kishiga qanday qilish, ma'lum bir ish qilishni qanday deyish. Okay, masalan, okay, what about I want her to do homework. Okay. Misharat uchun bunda tugash qismiga sizlar meni kesib kirganda meni hozir yavotir emas, men o'sha tell him mana men xato ishlab qo'yibdim yani. Okay, guys, and tell him, such as, tell her to do my homework. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's all for today, and see you next time. Goodbye.